Good morning, students. Today we will do the exercises of the poem. This lesson number 1, If Mice Could Roar. Today I will tell you how to find out the rhyming words from the poem. You see, students, you see the last word of the line and check it with the next last word of the line. You see, roar is rhyming with the soar. So the rhyming word of the roar will be soar. In this way, you have to find out the rhyming words. You have to see only the last word of the line and last word of the next line. You see here, sky is not rhyming with the next line. It is time, so it is not rhyming with the next line. So you see the next line, check the next line. It's not rhyming with the third line also. See, so come to the fourth line. Here you see sky is rhyming with the word fly. So the rhyming word will be fly. You have to check which line, in which line the words are rhyming. Here you see dine is rhyming with the wine. In this way sing is with ring. Post is not rhyming with the run. Come to the next line. One, it's not rhyming. Then come to the next line. Post is rhyming with the toast. So rhyming word of the post is toast. You see here run is rhyming with the one. And shower is with flower. And most you see here is rhyming with the toast and post. Post, toast, most is rhyming with each other. In this way you have to find out the rhyming words from the poem. I have written it in the notebook, and you see you also write it in your notebook and learn it. You see I have written these words in the notebook. Number 1 is roar is rhyming, and its rhyming word is soar. And number 2 is sky rhyming with fly, dine with wine, sing with ring, post with toast, run with one, shower with flower. In this way, I have told you how to make the rhyming word and you have to write it. Now come to the page number 12. You see the next exercise. Here the two columns are given, A and B. In the A column, name of the animal and birds are given, and in the B column their voices are given. You have to match the animals and birds with their voice. Now see, I have done this. Let me explain it. You see the lion, the voice of the lion is roars. As you know, all of you know, the voice of the lion is roars. Number 2, elephant. The voice of the elephant is trumpet. Next, duck. The duck. Its voice is quacks. Next is cow, and its voice is moose. Next is dog. Its voice is bark. Cat, mews, crows, cows, mouse, quacks, donkey, brays, owl, hoots. Owl, and you see owl hoots, donkey brays. In this way you also do in your book and learn it. Now come to the page number 13. 13, here you see in the exercise B, it's written some groups of animals and birds are given below. You have to pick out the odd one. Do you know what is odd one? Odd one which does not resembles with the other words is called odd ones. So here in the first line you see lion, tiger, panther, leopard, giraffe. Students, you see all the animals except giraffe is the carnivorous and giraffe is herbivorous. So giraffe is odd one. The answer will be giraffe. In the next line you see cow, donkey, goat, fox, sheep. Students, you see except fox, all are the domestic animal and fox is a wild animal. So fox will be the answer. Next, lizard, cobra, penguin, rattle, snake, chameleon. Student, you see, except penguin, all are the reptiles. And penguin is not reptile. It's a bird. It's not a reptile. So penguin is odd one. Next, crow, pigeon, cuckoo, bat, parrot. In this you see all are the birds. Bat is also bird, but it wanders in the night, not in the daytime. So bat is odd one. Next you see zebra, giraffe, deer, bison, hippo. Here you see except hippo all are the land and you can say land animal. Hippo used to live in the water, so hippo will be is the answer. Now come to the next exercise. You see in this options are given. You have to find out the correct option. Number 1 is mice could, from the poem what the poet has imagined. Mice could soar, roar, bark, mew. The correct option is roar. Number 2, tigers could dine on. Option is given biscuits and wines, rice and chapati, cakes, chocolate. The answer will be biscuits and wine according to the poem. Next, you see number 3, pebbles could. What is in the poem? Pebbles could swim, dance, sing, walk. It is sing. It's in the poem. The answer is sing according to the poem. Next, tortoise could walk, jump, run, hop. According to poem, it is run. Now come to the next page. Here you see number 5. A song could bring a shower, wind, flower, breeze. The answer will be a shower. Now students, see next exercise. In the B exercise, it is a fill in the blanks and options are given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct option and fill the blanks. Number 1 is trees grow on land, not in the sky, on land. Number 2, tigers eat meat, not biscuit, meat, actual nature of these things. Number 3, bells ring, birds fly, a tortoise cannot run, monkeys are free to climb any tree, I need more money to buy a chocolate bunny. Next, number 8, butter on toast, I like this breakfast most. Number 9, if I knew how to fly, I would reach up to the sky. Number 10, when the bell will ring, we all will start to sing. Next, number 11, the tortoise could not run at he run. Next, I asked him thrice, but he did not tell me its price. So this exercise is completed. Now do in your book and learn it. Okay. Jai Gurudev.